First things first, hello viewer and welcome to my channel. My name's Olineece. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit those red buttons below and subscribe. And you might as well turn on your post notifications so that you can know every time I upload. But if you guys are a subscriber already, welcome back. I missed y'all. It hasn't been that long because I've been trying to be consistent with these videos. But today we're not talking about hair. We're not talking about hair. But if you do want to know the specs on this wig, make sure you go check out my last video. Today we're gonna be talking about, hold on, thumbnail. Today we're going to be talking about these lashes. So today we're going to be comparing Bowmake Amazon lashes versus real Mink Amazon lashes. And I'm going to give you guys the real scoop on these lashes because everything ain't what they saying it to be nowadays. You know what I mean? Everything ain't really it what they saying to be. But let's get into these lashes, okay? So the first pair of lashes are these Hutzbeglad lashes. These are the lashes that I've had on the whole video. These are actually the lashes that I had on in my last video. And this is how the packaging looked in the style MDF12, you guys. That's the style that I have on. On the back, the box just gives you some instructions on how to apply these lashes. Blah, blah, blah. I'm not gonna read all of that. I'm not... What I am gonna do for you guys is take out the lashes outside of the box. So you get 6 pairs and this is what they are looking like right out of the box. They're super pretty held at the ends. You can kind of tell they have like a 3D effect to them. I paid $7.26. They are Amazon Prime delivery, so they did come in 2 days. They have a 4.5 out of 5-star rating. These are faux mink. They do not claim to be real mink lashes. I did wear these in my last video. I can't say that the lash line is comfortable. I do recommend you cutting them to fit your eyes. Another thing is that they do have other lashes, just like other styles, MDF 1 through about 20 styles. I guess I chose the 12s because they were on a sponsored kind of ad. They popped up as soon as I searched in the search bar for some lashes, so I kind of just got these. So let's get into the next pair right now. So the next pair of lashes are these Mckeewee lashes, and this is how the packaging looks. They also have the contact information on the back. Opening the package, there are 4 pairs of lashes in here. They're each a different style of lashes, you guys. They're so pretty and long. And I'm just gonna try one pair on for these pair on for you guys. Yeah, I'm gonna try these pair. So this is how the pair look. Oh my gosh, they are so long, y'all. I don't see how y'all do this. This is long. These are the acclaimed 25mm lashes. These off of Amazon are $7.99. The style that I got is the CD Mix 1-4, and they're claimed to be 6D lashes. These are also Prime, which is very nice. These are the Mckeewee lashes, you guys. Like, how do y'all do this? Like, look, I know I am a beauty queen, but this right here, that's a lot of lash. That's a lot of lash. Let me tell you that right now. But let's get into the next pair, okay? Hey guys, so I'm kind of excited about this pair. These are the XOXO pair. This is how their packaging looks. It's super cute, super girly on the sides and stuff. And then you can see the 4 pairs of different lashes inside. Okay, so the reason I'm excited about these is because these are the first pair of lashes that claim to be real mink. These are my first ever mink lashes, y'all. You just open it off the side. This is how they're looking straight out of the box. I think they're really pretty. I give you guys a side view. This is how they're looking on the sides. But these were also Amazon Prime because there's not a lot that say they're real mink. They'll put mink and then somewhere in the description they'll put mink, like fake lashes or whatever. So these were also a little bit confusing because of the title. The title is Wowie XOXO False Lashes 25mm Real Mink Lashes Dramatic Long Fluffy Thick Lashes 4 Styles Pack. These were $13.99, so kind of on the high end for only 4 pairs of lashes. They do give you like so many specs about the lashes. They're sold by HSKC Beauty, but fulfilled by Amazon, obviously. I feel like I can tell that they're super mink because of how spaced out they are, and I really hope the camera is getting it for you guys. They look like real lashes off somebody's eye. For you guys, I'm gonna try these on because they look just super dramatic and really pretty. So okay, y'all, I think I just found the lashes that I wanted to wear for the rest of my life. Like, you might as well go ahead and sew these into my eyelids because this is it. This is it. Like, girl. But girl, do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? Do y'all I feel like one of those rapper chicks. Like, I could just spit on a beat. Somebody give me a beat. Hey, yo, Alexa, give me a beat. About to go in. That was it. I felt like Mulatto, Nicki Minaj, Cardi B. Like, these lashes make me feel unstoppable. Don't talk to me when I have these lashes. Just don't talk to me. If you want an uplifter of the day, these lashes, $13.99. $13.99. Uplift your day, okay? Just like that. I'm the lash fairy now. Boom. But I have one more company from Amazon to review for you guys, and we gonna wrap this video up. You feel me? So let's get into the next lashes. Bippity boppity boo. You already know how we do. Bam. And this is the last company that claims to be real mink lashes again. And the thing about these are 25mm 3D mink lashes. They do come in 3 styles, and these were also $13.99 but shipped in 2 days from Amazon Prime. I'm gonna take them out and try to show you guys what they're looking like. Another thing is they do not have the styles on them, so I cannot tell y'all which one is which. I guess I could go by the pictures on Amazon, but this is one pair of them and how they're looking. This is the other pair, and which was in this box, and then the last pair look like these, and they came in this box, and this is what they look like. And I'm just trying to show y'all like how wispy they are. They're super wispy too. So I'm gonna try on these for you guys, which were in the purple box, and let you guys see them. Okay, y'all, these lashes are definitely giving me mink, but they're also giving me crazy. These lashes are kind of just everywhere. Like, I don't know, I don't think it's like an everyday look that would really go for. I think it's more of like it's a look you need to be going for, I feel like. These are just one of the 3 pairs of lashes. Like I said, I didn't try on the other 2 pairs. And I know mink are supposed to be flared, but I feel like they should have some kind of alignment. If you guys like lashes like this, then go ahead, sis, do your thing. But these lashes, for me, they're just not hitting the spot. So that is it for this video, you guys. If you guys want to purchase any of these lashes, the links will be in the description box below, so make sure you check down there. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe while you're at it. I upload videos every single Wednesday. It feels so exciting to say that now because I'm finally on track. I love you guys so much. I hope you're having a blessed and awesome day, and I hope to see you guys as watchers in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.